Hello, kumusta kayo dyan? Ako okay lang. Hello mga kadarling, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is your kadarling Budoy. What's up, yo? For today's video, darlings, samahan nyo kami, magsisimba lang kami saglit. We make sure that every week we have a quality time as family together. Palpas na kami ngayon ng flat namin. Siyempre magtatapon muna tayo ng basura. So dito yung tapunan namin ng basura, properly segregated. Color coded tayo, guys. So on we're going? Church?
Yes, and Little.
Little later.
Yes.
Say hi, darlings.
Hi, darling.
Darlings, as you can see, Sohan is segregating the
What's this? Over here?
trash.
Here?
Yes, that's there. Plastics, green for plastics. Mga ka-darling, tapos na tayo magtapon ng basura. So, lakad na tayo ngayon. So, dito, we got lucky with our place. Kasi, malapit lang sa sakayan, sa mga places na kailangang puntahan. Like churches, groceries. So, we're lucky. Although it comes with a price. Pricey talaga siya, but convenient location. So, happy with that. So, dito, kapag malamig, nagbabalat talaga yung face ko. Ganun talaga pag putis mayaman, darling. Anyway, today is 7 degrees. It's not that cold, pero breezy pa rin siya and chilly. But it's fine. B, anong pakiramdam ng nasa UK? So darlings, makikita nyo yung lugar namin. Malapit na kami sa train station. And then, meron ding parang 7-Eleven dito. There, Sainsbury ang tawag. And then, malapit din sa hospital kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. Yeah. Gusto natin yan. Lakad-lakad lang. Tumawid na kami sa kabilang side. You know, si Kadarling Risa. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Flex ko lang itsura ng street na dinadaanan namin ngayon papunta sa simbahan. So, malinis siya, although may konting scatters, pero generally malinis dito. Properly maintained. Sayang naman yung tax na binabayad kung hindi namin maintained. Laki-laki ng tax. Naglakad sila, si Darling Risa, kausap si Darling Cheche, sister niya. Hi! Say hi, darling! That's Zoe for you, Darling Zoe. So ayun guys, dahil springtime na, green na yung mga puno. Yan, hindi na siya skeleton gaya ng pag-winter. And darlings, makikita ninyo isa itong bus stop. Yan, iba-vlog din natin yan. Bus stop. Yan, nakita nyo guys, malaki ng bus, diba? Sa Pilipinas yan, luxury bus na yan. Dito sa UK, charter lang. So this is the Tawiran dito sa UK. So next vlog natin, discussin natin yung mga Tawiran. Pwede na tayo guys sa St. Pius Catholic Church. Dito tayo magsisimba for today. Hello mga darling, tapos na kami magsimba. Share ko lang yung gospel kanina. Ang sabi, whatever you ask from the Lord, He will provide. So, just pray earnestly and believe that the Lord will provide. Of course, you will do your part, diba? Anyway, walking na kami going to Lidl para mag-grocery for the stock ngayong linggong to. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Mga ka-darling, thank you so much. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye!